digs, satires and nuances, National Award-winning director Dibakar Banerjee is now ready for his fourth release, Shanghai, which is being produced by PVR Pictures. Let's see if, like his previous films, Dibakar manages to raise the bar with this one too. Based on the fictitious city of Bharatnagar is this political drama which takes off when Dr. Ahmadi, played by Prosenjit Chatterjee, is rammed into just after his speech against the ruling party's dream project called International Bharat Project. From there begins the investigation, which is spearheaded by Doctor's accomplice and student Shalini Sahai, that's Kalki Kochlin, with some help from the eyewitness photographer Jogi Parmar, played by Imran Hashmi. While the duo continue coping with the pressure, the inquiry commission led by T.A. Krishnan, that's Abhay Deol, brings them forth, putting their lives in danger. Weaving a political drama around this assassination and whether or not the country realizes its dream to turn into its developed counterpart Shanghai is what forms the rest of this movie. Given Dibakar Banerjee's accolades, it would be only fair to add that he managed the impossible with Shanghai in many aspects. From Imran Hashmi as the filthy-looking and tackily behaving porn video shooter Jogi Parmar, to Abhay Deol as a stuck-up, impeccable Tamil bureaucrat Krishnan shines through his subtlety, whereas Kalki as Shalini ranges from being brilliant to repulsive with commendable ease. Director Dibakar Banerjee manages to bring out stellar performances from all, also including Farooq Sheikh as the corrupt politician and Prosenjit Chatterjee as the political activist, do splendidly well and come well padded by some twists in the story and characters right till the end. The nuances and typicality are captured brilliantly as the protocols and other political aspects leave a great mark on the elite audience mind without spoon-feeding. Interesting cinematography is difficult to miss. Content-wise, Shanghai manages to interest the classes as well as the masses. While the best was derived out of the cream, it's the supporting cast of Shanghai that remained largely wasted. Supriya Pathak as the CM, her ally Kiran Karmarkar, Pitobash Tripathi, Anand Jog, Tilotama Shome are nearly rendered useless since their sketchy characters don't have enough screen time to leave any impact. Some publicized dialogues appear shoddily cut. Half-baked scripts, snail-paced story and lack of punchlines, humor or entertainment leaves the expectations high and dry. Shanghai unfortunately proves to be a wrong ground for first-grade music by Vishal Shekhar. The songs are either picturized shoddily or chartbusters like Dua are not a part of the movie at all. Banerjee's creativity in all departments can best be labelled undercurrent. Shanghai disappoints by Dibakar Banerjee's standards and its novelty makes only for a one-time watch. We at Rajshri.com give it 3 stars.